Hey everyone, it's Tim from timgagnonstudio.com, your place for online painting lessons. Today I have another tips and tricks video for you for your painting adventures. Today I'm going to give you 3 tips on how to paint a sun setting behind a tree line. So kind of a specific thing today, but it's actually a really cool and unique thing to do, and it makes your paintings look really great. And honestly, you don't have to put a whole lot of detail into the painting to make it look really good. Alright, so tip number 1. First thing you want to do, focus on creating the orange glow in the trees before you paint the sun. What you want to do is paint the tree line as a gradient. Pick a spot where you want the sun to be behind, paint that orangish red, and then from that point start adding in dark colors going both ways away from it. What you want to try to do is create the sense of this nice orange glow right in one spot, and then darker as you go to the sides. The darker you make it, the more contrasty and bright your sun is going to be. Tip number 2 is when you go to paint the sun in behind the trees, you want to use a little bit of yellow and orange and pick a central spot that's just going in behind the trees, brighten that spot, and do circular brush strokes out as you build up from that sun. So what's going to happen is you're going to concentrate the brightness into that one spot, and you're going to create this aura by doing these circular directional brush strokes. To add in the rays, once you've created those circular brush strokes, take a fan brush and lightly brush up and away. And this again is for oil painting, so you'd have to be using oil paint to make this effect work. But once you make those circular brush strokes and then drag your fan brush through them, you'll create that sense of light spreading across the sky and also that aura that's created by a sun. Alright, tip number 3, kind of similar to what we were just talking about. When you take your fan brush and drag from that aura that you've created, you're dragging out through the sky, drag a few of those down through the landscape and overlap the landscape. That will create atmosphere in depth. You don't have to put a whole lot of detail into your landscape. You can have it nice and dark and kind of muted, really focus on that bright sun, but dragging a few light brush strokes from the sun, overlapping, really light pressure when you do that. You're going to create these little rays and atmosphere that overlap the landscape and create a really cool effect. So when it comes to painting these types of landscapes, you want to go nice and dark and really focus in the brightness on that sun setting behind the trees. If you do that just right, you'll create that nice aura that is created when the sun starts to sink behind a tree line. Alright, so those are your 3 tips today for painting the sun setting behind a tree line. If you have any questions, you can post them in the comments. Make sure you check out timgagnonstudio.com for your online painting lesson needs. I have hundreds of painting lessons to choose from, oil and acrylic, all types of subject matter. Also, check out my workshop schedule. I'll be traveling around the country teaching in-person workshops. I hope to see you at one of those. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again soon.